Shine, dog. It a go end up one way where me have to go rush the whole house, dog. You see me? If me rush sheep, me have to go rush the whole house, dog. But that's what you even do, bro. Cause me know she go war back in, cause she feel like she have back it if dead in, dog. You see me? So she go war back and thing, dog. Right now, go pretty. Maybe I make up. Mika go pregnant. Oh Lord, watch it. Mika all her pregnant belly go down see her mother get boxed down and walk around come hold on and I go down ease her off it lead her somewhere else. Me I tell her bro so charge she bro, you know what really burn me most that when she say yo go on, me say fi go on. Go on. That burn me most bro because I don't tell the woman say my driver come today. The woman know me can't walk on me yard you know bro. I never run the woman from me yard. You see me? And if you share me, I say, yo, go on there. You see me? On TikTok police. Suck out your mother, dog. And you whine in your face and use the whole on. You see me? Suck out your mother and hold that block. Yeah, dog. So I put me for tell the dog, so what day I'm go over all that the boy alive, dog. A man don't know my friend now, dog. And I see him, you say, man, this me. You see me, dog? People are just fuck up, bro. God no, dog. Then again, bro, me and the woman a deal in a dog. Me and the woman a deal. Something wrong if a man get piece of cloth, dog. You have to see a man win too, bro. The woman want have me a post me this, have me a dance on fair page, bro. And now I'm get none of cloth, dog. Every day the woman a say, you know why me know she know I'm get none of cloth? Every day, I send my request charge. Every day the woman look for me and say, a cloth you wanting, a cloth. So from here, she say a cloth more, bro. I know she know I'm get none of her cloth, dog. But no cloth no really depend on her, bro. A bad name because people, if you say anybody will link with her, they insult them this and they now go after no man, we go after she and bro, a bad name, dog. So why you feel that cloth? I spoil you, the reputation. I only for you reputation you spoil, bro. My beg you like baby say yo, you know say, don't bring me down, you know. No matter what, no bring me down. Are you that dog? Are you that I bring me down the most way, man? For you, I look on me, you see. Yeah, bring me down the most way. I say, oh, this are you that. Turn on music. And I saw me like a minor thing, she say, dog. For sure, you the lady now not to bring me down, but she talk about some minor thing, like she done say, me I sleep 1 hours and you turn on music. And she done say, I saw me like a minor thing, bro. You see me? She not talk nothing way. Nothing way she talk and really no big problem when you can look into things and say, John, no, I saw him this day. No, bro. I just sound like a minor thing she talk to make people look bad. 2 bills, me and she bring down smarty upon the life this morning, you see me? So then you used to bring down people up. You see me? Why she come on my life, dog, and me and her talk. You see me? Me and she all trouble people about finger God and this and that. You keep them things to yourself. You want the man vex me, the man no. You see me? Yeah, dog. No pray people so dog, you see me? No woman can't make me pray no man neither, you know, dog. No woman at all can't make me pray no man, dog, you see me? I mean if me leave her alone, I block the lady, dog. As a God, I block her, dog, you see me? Because I don't want she feel like when things cool her, she can call me back and friend me, you see me, dog? Yeah, lady I tell be like I'm about me peep and promise me run me visit and the lady tell some breed that like on me they do that. When she say me peep and when me do peep on her, I must peep on her to blood clot. When she say me do peep on her, me like she say me a peep dog. Peep on her, so me a peep on her for bro. Alright now I call and say Annie if you da call, skin out the pussy on the video now. She do it, bro. You see me? So, I don't need for peep on her, dog. I don't need for peep on her, child. Bro, I don't need for peep. The woman just bad, wild and catty. Right now, the woman live in a little community, dog. And a be a man a come to the woman up there, dog. Be a man a come to the woman up there, dog. The woman have bike man, car man, walk foot. Bro, you know the woman wicked, dog. The first time I go up there, the woman bring me around a river, dog. I'm go run a river bad man, and man, me see I been up in face of family. Me look, I want to see a man on internet where she have a car, bestie dog. The woman bring me on a river with man, you see me dog? Have a man round the dog and bring me at the man river. Yeah, there are some wicked have man a link everywhere, dog. You see me? You have to know how to deal with them, you see it? Friends. Now, some good and sweeter than under you and your mother right now, you see me? So, come on. I tell you, people wicked, dog, you see me? Bro, I don't even know you, dog, you see me? Well, next, so my question don't ask me, you can go find out for yourself, you see me? Because she light-headed, dog, you see me? Anybody can just come and get access to her, you see it? Yeah, man. More or less, some woman may say park up and say, Annie, and they have a cup of rum can offer, dog, she run out, you see me? So if you don't want to catch her still, she easy to catch, dog, you see me? Then love lights, you see it? Then love lights, man. Everything what them do for money, you know, dog. You see the same man you come up named Delli. Of course, she call that the man there, you know, because he get paid per week time, you see me? That's what she tell me, you know, dog. She call the man per week time because he get paid, you see me? More while nothing go on the week, so she say, yo, where Delli there? More while Delli spend for me for 1 week, you see me? So when Delli there now, he don't give them money for buy a little lunch and thing, you see me? More I have to say, what? And me can't see, man. From such man forward, me can't see, you see me? Yeah, dog, you know, she have to give him fame time. She use that. I mean, if I use, she use the old man, dog. Use the woman, use the old man. You chat too much. Yo, no moderator and they can block that girl when you one sealer. What she name? One sealer. One fuck out sealer, never two. So cut your mother girl. Nobody can block her, dog. So man no for go in, dog, you see me? Cause I don't know right from wrong, but man, you see Anya mash up young youth in life, dog. You know blind. Where you know me from? None of you know me. None of you know me, bro. You see me? Anya walk and mash up young youth in life, dog. Anya go in a man in life and then she bring them down after, you see me? Yeah, dog. I'm more stressed than Annie, yes, because I'm going to lay down with her. I never know such a state, dog. I know that. I see her still in there, you see me? Remember, I really love nevertheless, because Annie always have her 100 man and more, you see me? So I like a serious man, I love never really there. Remember, I'm more, you know. Yeah, because, yeah, I have all like text them and things still and I lady beg my post her up, dog. Lady beg my post her up and run come in video. I don't know if you see one of the video them and she say, don't run, you know. Don't run, you know. You see me? When I say a lie, when I see a video them with an eyebrow, hold the camera. Yeah, no fool, you fuck, hold the camera, bro. When I see a lady hold the camera and video me, dog, and I say, yo, don't run, you know. Or you fuck me for all the video and somebody else say don't run, you know. You also no common sense, no, bro. The woman just lie, bro. She know if you turn around things, you look like are you, you know. You see me? You care about me, so I'm tell about me, you know, push her. You there, see, you there over child, you there over Anya, you there over wet to bum buckler. You know, God, with them bless some man and you can walk again and good agenda, but you know, do the right thing, you see me? Yeah, dog. You not shame no gift. No, sir, I'm not shame. I'm not look no gift. When me look gift for, bro. You know, I feel nice when you say I watch my dog and I comment. I'm not fear get no gift for talk the truth, bro. Yeah, say, oh, me shame no gift. I'm not give nobody nothing for put on, you know, dog. I'm not give nobody nothing for put on, dog. Black time. You know what I mean, man? Black them and mute them, you see me? Mute them, Jessica. I want to fuck them and I want to all of them, you see me? Cloud chaser. I tell you, bro, when you go up on the woman like I talk to the lady, dog, and tell her, say, yo, stop bring down the little youth, them, dog. You see me? Stop going in a man in life, go mash up a man in life and bring them down after. If you look like, say, yo, them are a bad person, you see me? You see me, dog? Bro, the woman is a wicked piece of woman in a dog. The woman I telling up and lie about how much thing I do for her, how long I did for her, this and that, and in her darkest time, I me did dead and the amount of thing, bro, me hear the woman I say about my dog and watch there. Me live to see the woman I say, oh, me this, me a paper, me a, what she say? Me paranoid, me wear shoes like she say me a madman. One bag of things she say, bro. One bag of little thing the lady I say about my dog. Bro, I see me there up at my yard, bro. And not even bathroom me using a dog. I there for 5 weeks, dog. 5 days. I lie. 5 weeks come from 5 days, dog. None of them can do that, dog. The one I tell me I forgot look on all the internet, dog, and the internet I say, yo. Cause me ask them, dog, cause I remember, yo, old people used to say if you keep up them things there, we dead, you see me? So I go up on the internet, dog, and look. And them say we not to keep it up for more than 2 to 3 days. So I start all free. And still I work like a G, bro. You see me? I saw me there on your man, bad man, I cave man out my life to dog. Go up on all the internet, go look how long we can hold up a certain thing for that, you see me? I look at 3 days, dog, she rate you. The woman I rate me not one bit bad, man. And the woman they never rate me one bit charge, you see me? Nah, them not rate me, dog, you see me? And some screen record them I pass on the app, me really I say certain things still in a dog. And I vex and I look back over things and come and trash out or nothing like that in a dog. I pass and I see some screen record, dog, you see me? The woman I bring me down wicked pan the app, dog. Me say the woman make her some people me never expect use TikTok. I said my video in my WhatsApp, you know, bro. I said, Pumba, this a woman, how you make this a woman and deal with this or that. And some style, bro. Talk to the woman charge and make the woman know say, yo, don't have to fuck with her and stop bringing on use them, dog. Stop going and youth them life and mash up the youth them life and bring them down after. And a good style, you see me? Can't use the bathroom if every day here. Who use the bathroom? Who flush the bathroom? Who no flush the bathroom? Chanel, Jagger. Be a little excitement over bathroom to Bumbuckler. I really don't want nurse. I them think that rough bad man no feel like a mad, you see me? Rough charge if I not take boy for all of them things that you see me? Good thing a boy never touch no back door, dog. Can't hold up certain thing like a man, you see me, dog? Yeah, dog. Cause me don't look shame, dog. You don't hear say, oh, I'm going all that toilet, go use it and a flush, you see me? Dangerous coat, dog. My belly ever full, dog, so then can't say, oh, me there, then yeah, me crave a dog and some style, you see me? Dog, you a deal with father. Big up yourself, you know, rep down. So they mix up them ever reach me date. And Ashan, body and Ashan, big up yourself. May I tell you, bro, some things I could have bring down the woman with, bro. I'm just want it like a G, that, you see me? And be the bigger one, you see me? Everywhere I look, I see woman all the front of Chad, this is right front of her face, bro. And she find when me say, disrespectful, like, you see me? Me and Chad say, yo, Chad, I show the woman a screen record. Like him and say, yo, me a cuss the boy Shemar. You see me, a cuss the boy Shemar, look. And in I see him screen record, him a show she. Me and say, yo, Shemar nah no ambition because then me she ask the dog, say, what you mean by non ambition? And she not find them thing they offended. You see me, them do anything for money, dog. You see realness and money are two different things, dog. Right now, I choose realness over money, dog. You see me? Cause if you have a corrupt me and give me money, dog, no, I say I'm mad. Bet you real to me and no money, dog. Money you make them do anything, charge, you see me? Bathroom auntie that ever smell like, you even know, like, use pad, you know, like when woman I say pad, like when woman I say blood clot period, dog. You know, if you ever there when woman I say period, that ever. You have a little funny smell in your bathroom, dog. God no, my dear. So I leave it to you see me? Bad man, certain things I know in a dog. I'm just hold it like a G in a dog. And I bring me down emotion. You don't know nothing about me. Furthermore, I never bring Annie in my yard yet, bro. Annie never come in my yard, bro. Annie never come in my yard, bro. I never will come in my yard, dog. Annie don't know my mother, she don't know my sister, she don't know my brother. Annie don't know nobody for my dog. Bro, I barely know Annie real name, dog. The woman don't know nothing about me if you say, oh, she bring me down. You see me, dog? I tell the woman something I charge, and I charge me say this, me and I tell back the same thing when I tell the woman, dog, for show you how them corrupt them, man. You see me, dog? Bro, and I feel like you're going to bring down man, dog, and man, shame for walk on the road, dog. You feel like you're going to make security see me in a business place and trouble me like how them do you, bro. Stop trying to spoil you their reputation. If we done, you see me? We done, bro. You tell people, boy, I never serious or fuck. You don't need to tell people them thing there, bro. If people, if you say have AIDS, everybody if have AIDS too. Things for hard pan everybody to that because it hard pan you, though. Stop own up relationship, bro. You're there pan up own up man charge like you are, man. So you don't even know, dog. You're done, bro. You move on with your life, dog. You know, just move on, bro. You tell people, say, I never serious, I never this, I never that. Yeah, and later come off for your life, man.
For watching, guys. Leave your thoughts and comments below.